Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to fix invalid code in two-factor authentication app. So to fix an invalid two-factor authentication code, you just need to follow the steps. Now due to some security concern or due to some security purpose, the interface won't appear. So I'm just going to quickly instruct you. So basically what you need to do is, first of all, you have to make sure you're entering the latest code and avoid extra space or character as well. Now, two-factor authentication codes are time sensitive and change every 30 seconds, so you have to be quick or wait for the next code cycle as well. And if you're using a desktop to log in, make sure the computer time matches the time on your phone as well. And that way you'll be able to fix the invalid code in two-factor authentication. If nothing works out, then you could also try checking for an update. Sometimes it might be the outdated version, or else try restarting your device and generate a new code, or you could just go ahead and open up the two-factor authentication app and then enter in the code. And likewise, make sure to remember the time, date, and all that, and that is going to definitely help you to fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.